My favourite song is one that my mother used to sing to me every night. It goes like this. Maybe you can sing it after me. Waiata. I think I can do the whole waterfall in one big leap. And then a little caterpillar appeared in the foaming water, bobbing along. And the little caterpillar said,
"You silly Taniwha! That's not how you climb a waterfall. I know how to climb a waterfall.
All the creatures in the forest sang along. Hey, hoki, hey, hoki, teka hikatea. Try it again. Teka hikatea. And then I said, but what does it mean? Oh, said the caterpillar. It means this. It may be small, the mokoroa, but it chews right through the kahikatea. Oh, you mean that big tree over there? That one? Yes. And the caterpillar said, you see, sometimes when you have a big problem, you should take it one little bit at a time. And all you have to do is learn this precious gift. It goes like this. Fire!
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 Fire te iti!
Fire te iti!
Kahurangi! Fire te iti!
Fire te iti!
Kahurangi!
Kahurangi!
Because all the creatures in the forest, at least the ones that weren't still at the bottom of the waterfall, they gathered around. The tu, the kaka, the keru, the mokoroa, some eels that were at the top of the river, the fish, the kaura, the insects, the gecko, the skink, the weta, punga were were. So many of them, they gathered around and they all wanted to heal me because they could see I still had a broken rib even after climbing to the top of the waterfall, and I saw a head and a bruised tail and cuts and gashes and I was pretty exhausted. I sang and all the creatures in the forest sang back to me like this. Waiata mai,
Waiata mai,
Waiata mai,
Waiata mai,
come sing with me, come
sing with me.
Tie, you know this one? Tie Moriora. After me. It is the breath of life.
It is the breath of life.
Ah, thank you, I said to all the creatures of the forest, because my broken ribs suddenly felt a lot better. And my fins and my tail and my head and my cuts, everything seemed to be healed. Thank you. Ah, yes, said Waiata. I'm very tired now, very old. And this song is really the last of my magic, the last of my wairua, actually. E koreo,
E koreo,
e ngaro,
e ngaro,
e koreo, e ngaro,
e koreo,
e ngaro. I lay down, and I stood up, and I was filled with so much magical power. So many magical spells, so many songs within me that lived and breathed, and I could call on them whenever I wanted for when I needed them the most. Me maunga,
me maunga,
hey te, te, strive on and on to the heights, stumble only to a mighty mountain. Stumble only to a mighty mountain. Now go! That means you. Farewell. Until another time.